Good morning, my nursery babies. These past few days have been pleasant and some of us have been wearing sweaters, or you have seen your parents and grandparents draping a shawl around their shoulder. What is a shawl and sweater made of? It is made from the wool. And who gives us the wool? It is our dear farm friend, the sheep. Yes, so today we are going to do some wool sticking activity on a sheep. So get your worksheet, your wool, and remember the wool can be of any color of your choice. Fevicol and crayons, and get ready. So come along with me and let's stick the wool on the sheep. So children, I'm sure you have selected which color wool you need to stick it on the sheep. But before you start this activity, your parents are going to cut the wool into tiny small strips. So parents, you will take the wool and start cutting small strips of them. So we start cutting them. And please place it on a bowl, rather in a bowl or on a plate, so that it will be easy for our little ones to sprinkle them when the activity begins. So this way we are going to cut the wool. Now this way the wool is ready for you children to stick on the sheep. Now let's take the worksheet. You will write your name on the top of the paper. Now let's read the instructions. Color the fence red, this is your fence, and the grass green in color. Stick wool of any color of your choice on the body and the head of the sheep. So we start coloring the fence with the red color. So take up your red color and start coloring the fence. Let's move the crayon in one direction. Press your crayons and let's color the fence. I'm sure you have finished coloring your fence. Now let's take the dark green color and color the grass. So we are coloring the grass with the dark green color. Once you have finished coloring the grass, take a body color, flesh color, and you can color the face of the sheep. Do not press your crayons. You will very lightly move the crayons in one direction. Once you finish coloring the face, let's color the legs too. And the ears. Now it's time to stick the wool. Teacher has put some glue or Fevicol on the plate. Dip your finger and spread little Fevicol on the head. Once you have spread the Fevicol, again dip your finger and apply some on the body of the sheep. Now time to sprinkle the wool. Take a pinch of wool and just place it on the head where we have already applied the Fevicol. Again take a pinch of wool and slightly press it. it will stick. So we have to do this activity very slowly. Now again take little wool, and wherever you can see any white patch, you can apply, stick the wool and slightly press it with your pointer finger. After finishing sticking the wool on the head, you will start sticking the wool on the body. So we start with the border. You will just slightly press it, otherwise the wool will stick to your finger. See, like this. Now apply it in the middle. You can take a pinch and keep pressing it. Just keep pressing. Now let's move to the ends. When you reach the end, you will just take very little wool. As you reach the ends, very little wool. Near the ears, avoid covering the ears. We are nearly finishing the sticking activity. So this way we have finished sticking the wool on the body and the head of the sheep. I hope you enjoyed doing this activity, children. I will see you soon. Bye.